Leo, let me ask you a question. Have you ever been completely lost in a foreign city where you didn't speak the local language?
Oh, Mia, absolutely. A few years ago, I was visiting Rome, my phone battery died, and I spent 2 hours walking in circles trying to find my hotel. It was terrifying and exhausting.
Being lost in a new city can be scary, but it's also one of the most practical reasons why people learn English in the first place. English is the universal language of travel.
Exactly. Whether you're at an airport, trying to find a subway station, asking a local for directions, or taking a taxi, knowing how to ask where things are and understanding the directions people give you is a crucial life skill.
Today, we are mastering all of it. We are giving you the natural phrases to ask for directions, prepositions of place, transportation vocabulary, real-life travel dialogues, and common grammar traps to avoid.
Welcome to Level 1, Episode 9 of the English Ladder here on English Loom. I'm Leo.
And I'm Mia. Let's start climbing together.
Before we jump into today's main lesson, a massive shout out to everyone who completed the Episode 8 homework assignment on shopping and prices. We loved reading your comments about your recent bargains and whether you paid by card or in cash.
Yes, you guys did an awesome job using phrases like "it fits well" and "it suits me correctly." Keep up that incredible dedication.
If you are joining us for the very first time today, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a step on your journey to fluent English speaking. Now, let's jump straight into Episode 9.
Let's start with the most polite way to stop someone on the street and ask for directions. You should never just walk up to a stranger and demand, "Where is the museum?"
Right, that sounds way too direct and a bit rude. Always start with a friendly, polite phrase like, "Excuse me, do you know where?" Or, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to?"
Here are 4 classic natural sentence structures to ask for directions.
Structure 1. Excuse me, where is the nearest place? Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy? Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?
Structure 2. How do I get to place? How do I get to the central train station from here?
Structure 3. Is there a place near here? Is there an ATM near here? Is there a coffee shop nearby?
Structure 4. Am I on the right road for place? Use this when you are walking and want to double check if you're heading in the right direction. Excuse me, am I on the right road for the city museum?
Now, once you ask the question, you need to understand the answer. Let's master direction verbs and movement expressions.
Here are the essential navigation verbs everyone needs to know.
Phrase 1. Go straight ahead or go straight down this street. This means walk forward without turning. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks.
Phrase 2. Turn left, turn right. Turn left at the traffic light. Turn right at the intersection.
Phrase 3. Cross the street. This means walking from one side of the road to the other side of the road. Cross the street when you see the big blue sign.
Phrase 4. Go past landmark. This means walk past a location without entering it. Go past the supermarket and the bank will be on your left.
Phrase 5. Take the first or second turning on the right. Go straight and take the second turning on your left.
Now, let's combine these with prepositions of place to pinpoint exact locations.
Preposition 1. Next to or beside. The bakery is right next to the post office.
Preposition 2. Across from or opposite. This means on the other side of the street or room facing you. The library is across from the park.
Preposition 3. On the corner of. The cafe is on the corner of Main Street and 5th Avenue.
Preposition 4. Between. The bookstore is between the hotel and the pharmacy.
Let's test this. Mia, I'm going to ask you for directions to a spot, and you give me a clear navigation answer using our new prepositions. Ready?
I'm ready. Ask away.
Excuse me, Mia, could you tell me how to get to the art gallery?
Sure, Leo. Go straight down this street for 2 blocks. Turn left at the traffic light. Go past the cinema and cross the street. The art gallery is right across from the park next to the coffee shop.
That was crystal clear. I can find it with my eyes closed.
Now, let's talk about public transportation and getting around.
When traveling, you will frequently use buses, trains, subways, taxis, and flights. Let's look at the key verbs and prepositions used for transport.
First up, get on versus get in. Learners confuse these prepositions all the time. Here is the golden rule.
Rule 1. Use get on/get off for public transit or vehicles where you can physically stand up and walk down an aisle. Get on the bus. Get on the train. Get on the plane. Get on the subway.
Rule 2, use get in/get out of for small private vehicles where you sit down immediately and cannot stand up. Get in the car, get in the taxi, or Uber.
Say that aloud to lock it in your memory. You get on a bus, but you get in a taxi.
Now, what about buying tickets and checking schedules at a station or airport?
Here are 4 essential transport phrases.
Phrase 1, a one-way ticket versus a round-trip ticket or a return ticket in British English. One-way, going to a destination without returning. Round-trip/return, going to a destination and coming back.
Phrase 2. Which platform does the train leave from? Excuse me, which platform does the train to London depart from?
Phrase 3, how often does the bus run? This asks about the schedule frequency. How often does the airport shuttle run? It runs every 15 minutes.
Phrase 4. How long does it take to get to destination? This asks about travel duration. How long does it take to get to the airport by taxi? It takes about 30 minutes.
Now, let's put all of these expressions, prepositions, and travel verbs into 2 realistic full-length navigation dialogues.
Here's Dialogue 1. Dialogue 1 takes place on a busy city street where a tourist, Leo, asks a local resident for directions to the central subway station. Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but I'm a bit lost. Do you know where the nearest subway station is?
Oh, hi. Yes, don't worry. It's not far from here at all.
That's a relief. How do I get there from this street?
Okay, so go straight down this street for about 3 minutes until you reach the big intersection with the traffic lights.
Go straight until the intersection with the traffic lights. Got it. Do I turn there?
Yes, at the traffic lights, turn right onto Broadway Street. Walk past the big red hotel on your left and cross the street.
Turn right at Broadway, go past the red hotel, and cross the street. Is the station right there?
Exactly. The subway entrance is right on the corner next to the bakery and across from the bank. You'll see the big blue M sign.
Awesome. How long does it take to walk there?
It should take you less than 10 minutes on foot.
Thank you so much for your help. Have a great day.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your time in the city.
Now let's move to Dialogue 2. In this scenario, a traveler, Mia, is buying a train ticket from a station ticket agent, Leo. Hello, next in line, please. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to buy a ticket to Oxford, please.
Sure thing. Would you like a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket?
A round-trip ticket, please. I'm coming back this evening.
Great, that will be $35. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by card, please. Here you go.
Perfect. Here's your card back along with your round-trip ticket and receipt.
Thank you. Which platform does the train leave from and what time is the next departure?
The next train departs in 15 minutes at 10:25 a.m. from Platform 4.
Platform 4, 10:25 a.m. And how long does the journey take?
It takes about 45 minutes. It's a direct train, so you don't need to change trains.
Fantastic. Thanks for your help.
Have a safe trip? Excellent. Now it's time for everyone's favorite segment, Say It Better.
In this segment, we highlight 4 very common English learner mistakes when asking for directions or talking about travel, and show you how to fix them instantly.
Mistake number 1. Where is located the museum?
Why it's wrong. In English question word order, the subject comes before the main verb or participle in indirect or natural questions.
Say it better. Where is the museum located? Or simply, where is the museum?
Mistake number 2. I am getting in the bus.
Why it's wrong. Remember our transport rule. For large public transport vehicles where you can stand up and walk down an aisle, use on, not in. Say it better. I am getting on the bus.
Mistake number 3. Go to left and then turn to right.
Why it's wrong. You don't need the preposition to after the action verb turn. Say it better. Turn left, then turn right.
Mistake number 4. How many time it takes to go to the airport?
Why it's wrong. Time as a duration is uncountable, so you must use how long, not how many time. Say it better. How long does it take to get to the airport?
Time for our word tour recap of today's key vocabulary.
Word 1. Go straight ahead. Walk or drive forward without turning. Example, go straight ahead for 2 blocks.
Word 2. Across from. Located on the opposite side of a street or space. Example, the station is across from the park.
Word 3. Get on/get in. Get on for public transport, bus, train, plane. Get in for small private transport, car, taxi.
Example, get on the train or get in the taxi.
Word 4. Round-trip ticket. A ticket that covers traveling to a destination and returning back. Example, I bought a round-trip ticket to Chicago.
Word 5. How long does it take? The natural question used to ask about travel duration. Example, how long does it take to walk to the beach?
And now it is time for your interactive homework assignment.
In the YouTube comment section below, write 3 sentences giving directions or describing a travel habit.
Sentence 1. Give simple directions from your home to a nearby spot using go street or turn left or right.
Sentence 2. Describe where a place in your city is located using next to, across from, or on the corner of.
Sentence 3. Use the phrase it takes time to get to state how long a journey takes.
For example, to get to my favorite coffee shop, turn right outside my apartment. It is right across from the park. It takes 5 minutes to walk there.
Write your sentences in the comments below. Mia and I read every single comment, and we will reply, give you feedback, and help correct any small grammar errors.
In episode 10, we're reaching the ultimate milestone of level 1, where we will cover restaurants, ordering food, and dining out in English.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if this episode helped you, and practice speaking these sentences out loud every single day.
Keep climbing, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.